We are going to take a look at a Ritter R215E 5' by 8' face frame assembly table. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This Ritter R215E 5' by 8' face frame assembly table is ready to work. The easel is clean. All 3 pneumatic cylinders work without any air leaks in the system, and all 3 have protective rubber pads. The original owner even added shelves on the rear for storage.